Are you tired of earbuds that feel like there's a cotton ball deep inside your ear? Well, the good folks over at Tozo have created the Open Buds. These here are designed for a dual axis capability, allowing to fully adjust it without penetrating deep inside your ear. Not only that, it is fully app integrated as well as Bluetooth connectivity, allowing to get a full connection with microphone, touch sensors, as well as playback just with simply clicking it like this. Now it comes with all the bells and whistles, including a nice long-lasting battery giving you full 12 hours of playback, as well as 48 hours based off of the case with wireless charging. Now in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it as well as checking it out. So if you guys wanted your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so check it out. So this here's the packaging, this here's the box. Kind of shows it how it looks like. So it doesn't actually have something that physically goes inside the ear. In fact, it kind of just sits on the outside, which is actually a unique part of this particular design. Now on the back here, it does talk about it more in terms of the detail. So it does have a dual driver. At 14.2 millimeter dynamic driver, so you do get a good amount of bass just based off of the specs of it. Let's open this thing up. So in terms of the contents, this is everything that you get. So you get your user manual, you get a quick start guide, and then you get a USB-A to USB-C cable to go ahead and charge the case, which actually charges the headset. Let's take a look at this. In terms of the headset goes, so you do get this nice looking case. It does have a little light plastic feelingness to it, but it does say Tozo, and it's actually a nicely sized. And then it doesn't actually feel much weight at all. It's actually quite lightweight. You do have a USB-C port on the back, so you can directly charge the case that way too. And to open it, you simply just go ahead and pop this cap open like this. And you can actually see both of our headsets. Now these here are the earbuds, so it's got a touch area, which is mentioned over here on both sides. So you just go ahead and take these out just like this. And wow, look at that. There's actually literally no parts of it that actually go into your ear. It's all on the outside. Now this is a charge case, so you do have a reset button by simply pressing that button once. And then you can see the charger ports right over here. Let's go ahead and try these things on. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. So we're going to take these things out. Now, one thing to note is that they do have a nice lightweight feel. Now, right when you do turn them on, you can actually see there's a status blue LED or white LED in there once it's connected, just like that. And then to use them, you simply go ahead and put them on your ear with the full dual axis connection. So you can go ahead and rotate it left and right, and you can rotate it up and down. So it's kind of up to you on what you like in terms of your adjustment goes. Now, the fact that there's no specific part that actually penetrates into the ear, the speaker is just sitting out there. So that's actually kind of nice because it gives you that really nice lightweight feel. So to put these on, just go ahead and tuck them in behind your ear, rotate it to the nice position, and then just go ahead and rotate it based on what you like, just like that. All right, so there you go. So this is kind of how it looks in terms of being able to wear them. Now, one thing to note is I have to say it really does feel like a lightweight earbuds. And I think that is actually the real kicker behind this, is because the fact that it literally isn't penetrating your ear and doesn't feel like it's kind of like hunkering into you. It almost has like a wireless feel is what I would say. It does have the full app integration. Now the app itself allows you to go ahead and connect to it and see all the different properties where they have different presets. I believe there's 5, allowing you to go ahead and adjust based on your personal likings, and even has your noise canceling system as well. So you could technically use this for your day-to-day use and have the nice transparent quality audio where you can hear ambulances and things like that outside. But if you want to get like a little private, simply turning it on, it kind of noise cancels around you using its own sophisticated system. Now, in terms of, you do have being able to go ahead and answer phone calls or skipping songs by simply tapping on it just like this, or you can even use voice assistant based on your phone. Now, let's go ahead and try these things out. All right, so yeah, I mean, one thing to note about these particular headsets is the fact that it is transparent is the way I would describe it. So you got that lightweight feel, you got the music kind of going in the background, and it almost has like a wireless feel. And I have to say, they did a great job with it. The quality is actually really good. The only thing it would probably lack is a little bit of a bass, but that, again, that's just because it's not really integrated into your ear. You do kind of position it a little bit more further in, just like this. You do feel that bass. So just kind of finding the right sweet point is the most important thing. Now, other than that, I mean, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, so that's actually really good. Once you're done, just go ahead and pop these guys out just like that, and just go ahead and throw them back in here, and that's it. Now these will be charged, and then if you go ahead and use them for a full run while they're on, you get 12 hours, and then once you plug them in, you get up to 48 hours based off the case. So there you guys have it. If you had any questions about the Tozo opens, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next episode. Take care now. Bye-bye.